In a time long ago, deep in the heart of India, there lived a man named Chanakya. He wasn't just any man, he was a wise philosopher, a strategist, and a teacher who possessed knowledge that spanned over 1,000 topics. His teachings were not confined to dusty books or ancient lectures. They were reflections of a life lived with purpose and direction, both in this world and perhaps beyond. Chanakya had a grand plan, a blueprint for all who wished to navigate the complexities of life, filled with success, wisdom, and the absence of regret. Each day, Chanakya would rise with the sun, beginning his mornings in gratitude. He understood the importance of a peaceful mind, emphasizing that a good night's sleep, around 7 to 8 hours, was essential for clarity and productivity. His life, filled with the rhythm of music, taught him how melodies could soothe the soul and shape leaders. Every note seemed to carry a lesson, and he surrounded himself with the best musicians, believing that music could elevate one's character and decision-making. To embody this wisdom in today's world, Chanakya suggested simple practices. First, one should reflect on political knowledge, pondering the tasks that lay ahead. He advised making lists of things to accomplish, prioritizing based on urgency, and checking one's progress multiple times a day. With technology at our fingertips, it was essential to remember that while information could be found online, the lesson from a teacher could not be replicated by a machine. A good habit was to cultivate knowledge through daily learning, even if it meant attending a seminar once a month. Chanakya believed that the afternoon was an opportune time for learning something new. As the world moved quickly and distractions loomed large, he highlighted the power of the human will, coupled with faith, as paramount for success. Each evening, he advised getting to bed by 9 p.m., tapping into the healing power of sleep. He emphasized that studying was not just an activity, it was a commitment, advocating for 3 dedicated hours of self-study a day for those who sought to grow. Moreover, Chanakya recognized the value of having a plan for life, akin to a king who knew his schedule well. He encouraged flexibility and the understanding that productivity varies from person to person. Some thrive in the morning, others come alive at night. Meditation, in his eyes, was both an action and a state of being, guiding people to a spiritual connection that transcended worldly chaos. Understanding food was another pillar of Chanakya's wisdom. He saw it not just as sustenance, but a means to transform both body and mind. His advice was simple: know what you eat, perhaps even take a day to play chef, thus discovering the economics behind the food industry. A person who wanders aimlessly does not achieve fulfillment, so he urged setting clear goals and sharing them with someone close as a means of accountability. While reflecting on life, he imparted a crucial understanding. The average person could focus anywhere from half an hour to 90 minutes on one thing. Just as successful individuals find joy in hobbies, Chanakya noted the importance of balancing work and passion in a rich life. Money was essential, but so was the wisdom to manage it. As one ventured into the world of wealth, he advised saving promptly to build a secure future. Life, as Chanakya described, was woven of 4 threads: dharma, values, artha, prosperity, kama, desires, and moksha, freedom. While pursuing desires, he warned of the necessity of grounding them in moral values and material well-being. Genuine relationships were treasures, and the depth of one's friendships was a reflection of one's character. In the grand pursuit of happiness and meaningful existence, Chanakya acknowledged that true spirituality could only flourish after we fulfilled our worldly duties. Therefore, leaders, like kings, had to consult wisely with their advisors. The essence of a good day came not from cramming activities into every hour but finding time for contemplation and rejuvenation. He also imparted practical advice for decision-making, encouraging leaders to seek clarity in their roles and responsibilities. He advocated meticulous planning and quick decision-making, underscoring the importance of a daily reality check on personal and professional undertakings. Chanakya's wisdom extended into personal lives and relationships as well. Marriage, he implied, should be approached thoughtfully, as it required mutual respect and shared purpose beyond mere pleasure. In the sacred space of home, family members were to be treated with reverence, contribution of love, and care. The role of a parent stretched beyond mere providing. It involved nurturing, educating, and instilling values in one's children. His method for raising a child revolved around a beautiful principle. For the first 5 years, shower them with love, for the next 10, discipline, and as they approach adulthood, socialize as a friend. He understood the delicate balance of parenting, protecting children while allowing them the freedom to blossom into their own selves. As the years passed by, Chanakya elaborated on the importance of community, reiterating that humble companionship with wise souls nourished the spirit. He inspired families to travel and learn together, understanding that the greatest lessons often lay beyond the classroom walls. Woven in the fabric of Chanakya's teachings was the delicate need for charity and giving back. He believed that those who contribute to society would always harvest in abundance. The act of sharing, whether through time or resources, enriched the soul and cultivated a sense of belonging. He advised cultivating a love for knowledge by building home libraries, immersing in literature that offered wisdom. A well-rounded education encompassed life lessons, moral values, and the courage to stand against bad influences. After all, who we surround ourselves with shapes our destiny. Through countless stories born from his experiences, Chanakya's teachings revealed that wealth was not merely financial but also included the rich tapestry of relationships, knowledge, and spirituality. A life led by purpose and guided by wise principles paved the way to success, but it was witnessing, understanding, and learning from every moment that defined existence. In reflective silence, as dawn broke each morning, Chanakya began anew, counting blessings and preparing to face each day with renewed purpose. He understood that gratitude was the gateway to happiness, profoundly transforming one's perspective on life. The little things, a kind word, a good deed, or a moment of joy, were treasures to be cherished, elevating the very essence of living. And thus, the lessons of Chanakya, intertwined with tales of love, leadership, and personal growth, transcended time, echoing in the hearts of those willing to listen. His philosophies illuminated paths of success and fulfillment, urging all to embark on their journeys, brimming with purpose, creativity, and connection, finding beauty in every step taken.